Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this QNAP TS-233 2-bay home NAS. You can build a personal private cloud, a home multimedia center with a built-in NPU to boost AI-powered face recognition. Run your own personal cloud storage and enjoy easy file access, sharing, designing to enhance collaboration and increase remote work productivity. Also features rich multimedia applications and provides a complete home entertainment portal. Powered by ARM Cortex-A55 quad-core 2 GHz processor with a built-in 2 GB RAM, 1 Gb LAN port and supports 2 drives SATA 3.5 or 2.5 inch, 6 GB per second, HDD or SSD. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, connect it to my network and see how it works. And inside, of course, we're gonna find out some manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. And of course we have the power adapter. Power adapter output, it is 12 volt, 5.42 amp max, 65 watt power consumption. The power cord. We have an Ethernet cable, screws for the drives, and there it is, the QNAP. Now at the front we have the LED indicators, device status, LAN, USB copy, HDD1, HDD2, power button, USB copy, USB 3.2 Gen 1. I like this carbon fiber sticker. We have the fan, reset button, the LAN port Gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 2 version, and the DC in. Nice. It looks great. QNAP, it is small. Now, at the bottom we have some ventilation, this screw. We need to remove the screw and install the drives. The rubber at the bottom, definitely it will stay very secure at any place on your office. Now, just slide up and remove. And inside we have the 2-bay for the drives. Now we can install 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch drive, it is your choice. I will install 3.5 inch, it is very easy to do that. We can see the screws here, alignment with this blue. That was all. If you want, you can install and the screws. And that was all. Lock it. And the same for the second. Now if you want to install the screws, just remove this plastic, left and right, and then you can install one screw here and one screw here. Well, let's do that. I will use these screws. And the second goes here. Perfect. Install again these plastics. And And the same I will do, and for this drive I will install 2 screws. Nice. I like it. It feels very robust, very well manufactured. We can see the fan, how it looks inside, the board. And again, it's very easy to install in this plastic. Goes here. Slide and it locks. And then install in the screw. DC power, Ethernet cable, and let's power it on. It is very quiet. Protect your data with higher security storage for your high resolution multimedia files. I have transferred all my files on these drives, mostly photos and videos. I have installed 2 drives, 2 TB purple from Western Digital. Now I have this drive about 10 days and I can say it's working very well, very smoothly. Today was only the unboxing and review. On my next video I will show you all the settings you can adjust. Until my next video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.